guys, when I stop recording, I end up figuring out how to get the crochet in. I'm gonna try to do on this side. I don't know, maybe because these sections are just bigger. Piece of hair. I think I probably put a little too much, but we'll see. Make sure it's even. Look at me pretending like I know how to do something. Put it around in the middle, just like this. There we go. Right here. Just so it can fit through the hook. Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. This way, I guess. Okay, so it's here. Alright. So then I close it. I pray all the hair is inside. What? Can you close? See, I told you she might be acting brand new. Okay. Pull. Oh, it worked. Okay. So now, it's all about just trying your best. I'm on the second to last one. I've been crocheting it in. I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. Put it around in the middle. Let me see. Okay, make sure the whole thing is in here. This is where it gets confusing when you got some loose hair. Okay. Of it. Okay. So now this is here. Take out the twist of my real hair. Can we appreciate the shine though? Can we, like, look at this? This would have been a bomb twist out. It's always when I'm like not trying that my hair wants to cooperate. Yeah.
I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight no more. Can't let you go. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna fight no more.
What is this? Is this unraveling? What is this? It took me 2 hours. I started at like 5:30. It's 7:30 right now. I got a lot of body foam. Okay. Hopefully that lays down. This is how she's looking. Okay guys, I finished my hair. So I ended up finally getting the hang of the crochet. I have 6 sections on this side and 6 on this side. It kind of looks like really weird in the ends. I did put hot water on them. It looks like I didn't really try. Like it's kind of like that messy look, like I wasn't really trying to try, but I did try, but I didn't try, but I didn't try, but I did try. Yeah. Let's go up close. I mean, I think I did fairly well, but this is like legit how like a normal like style goes for me. I'm not a professional braider, I'm not a professional stylist, so I'm really just winging it as I go. I just wanted to show you a realistic version of me doing my hair. It looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And I did my makeup, that Fenty. Since I did get it and I did end up looking cute, maybe I will tiptoe out of my comfort zone and start doing my own hair. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Do you guys like it? leave down tips. If you guys have tried something similar to this, let me know. Or if you guys just want to see more videos of me struggling, I will try to do my best to upload. If you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Show me what that natural hair do. She got that poetic justice, that Badu, that India I read Jill Scott too.